finally finished my wig. This is the hair from, I want to say Klaiyi. However, this hair is the natural wave hair. Guys, did you see how pretty this wave is? It's so pretty. First, before I get into explaining this whole hair, I recorded a video where I had straightened the hair. I straightened it bone straight, middle part. It was so pretty. However, I did not like how I glued the actual unit down. Well, not glue, you know, I used the got to be glue. So I didn't like how it looked. I think I was overboard with the glue. I did like 2 layers. You don't even need 2 layers. And I just pretty much went to town on it. So I had to pretty much take the unit off, wash the unit, and it waved back so pretty, effortlessly. And then I put it back on, and I like the way it looks the second time. Now, I will say, practice makes perfect. So the more you do this, the more you're going to get better. And I feel like the second time around, I definitely have the unit in a really good place in regards to my forehead, because I have a large forehead. I know this. However, when I had them before, I think I put it down too far. So I was looking like my face was like doing like this. So I was so happy that the second time around, I made sure that I was like right before my hairline, right before where I put the actual glue at. So ladies, if you're going to try this, just take your time. And I am going to do a video once I practice a little bit more. There's tons of videos out there, but you may want to see it from me and how, you know, I come across from my perspective. When I get a little bit better, I'm going to do a video on, you know, applying it. And there's some little tricks that I thought that, you know, I picked up along the way. But however, let's get into the hair. This is the natural wave Brazilian hair from, oh God, y'all don't want to get it wrong, from Klaiyi. And this is the package, this is the box. And I'm saving this so I can put my unit in. Let me tell you guys, this hair is so soft. Despite the fact that it had a couple of the flyaways when I like went through the hair, let me tell you, it must make the hair like do something. I don't know. It just is, it's so soft. What I did is a trick that I like to do. It's not really a trick. This is how you should wash your natural hair as well. I don't wash my units. I mentioned this before. I don't wash my units in warm water. I use cool water or straight cold water, because when you use hot water or warm water, it kind of makes the hair shrivel up and get tight. And that's how, when so many women, when they complain about their hair, they say, oh, the hair balled up, the hair did this, the hair did that. Even if you wash the hair and you have a chance to blow it out and the air dries, it's going to still ball up once it gets dry because the hot water. So always remember to use very, very cool water. That's a little tip. But I'm looking in the mirror right here. I just love, it's so soft. I didn't even put any conditioner on because I already had washed it and conditioned it when I made the unit. And then I flat ironed it and then I washed it again. I didn't do any conditioner, but it's just so soft. It's so bouncy. And the lengths that I have 2 18s, 1 16. I had an 18-inch closure, which I pretty much chopped up and I made it into probably a 14 because I did put some layers in the front. I can definitely wear this in the middle part. I can wear it on the side part. I can do the flip over, how I got going on now. I can pretty much part it wherever I want to part it from right here. And that's a good ways, you know, so I have a lot of wiggle room when it comes to this particular unit. Happy about that. What else? I didn't do any baby hairs because I'm not about that, but I am going to do something because you can see some lace right around here, but I'm going to fix it and I'm going to have the hair. I'm going to make the baby hairs, as they would say, and then I'm going to comb them out to have that soft illusion just to cover the lace so when it's on it looks really, really good. I just don't want to have a bunch of waves in my head. My natural hair doesn't do that. I'm natural. You guys seen my hair before. So we're not doing that. However, the hair is really, really pretty. I'm very, very pleased. I will leave all the links down below so you can check these guys out. I'm going to be coming to you guys with some really, really good hair because we like extensions. We're not going to get away from that. We love us some extensions. So this hair is really, really good. It's really, really pretty. I really, really like it. And the fact that it reverted back, you know, sometimes you can get some hair, you straighten it out, chase method, do all that good stuff, and before you know it, you go wash it again and it stays, you know, straight. And then for this to be a natural wave, it's not quite a body wave where it's a really, really deep curl. It did really, really well. I like it. I didn't use any product in the hair besides the shampoo and the conditioner. I just have a spray bottle here just with some water in it. And I just pretty much sprayed it. I didn't want to put any extra, what do you mean, sorry. I didn't want to put any extra product in the hair. I really want to see the hair perform on its own before you start adding anything to the hair. So yeah, you know, the lace frontal is definitely new for me. In regards to the Got To Be glue, no one mentions in any of their videos that when you put this glue on, your forehead is going to feel tight. I know it's gel. I know it's glue, but it's not glue. I didn't think my forehead would feel like, and that's what it feels like. It feels like, and when you spray, and how you release it, guys, is so cool. Just get you some regular water. Like, I'm not sleeping in this unit at all. Get some water. Just spray around the edge of the lace. Massage it, and then it just pulls right off. Don't pull your edges out if you get a little bit too close to your edges, but guys, it's so simple. I can't wait to give you a full video on that because I probably gave it to you just now, but it's so simple. You know, I know everybody has a learning curve. You know, I do too. But ladies, you can make your own wig. You can make your own wig. So yes, I like it. I really, really enjoy this. Now I understand why ladies really, really enjoy lace frontals. I can tell, like, you know, when the wind blows, you know, you don't have to worry about anything like your edges or your cap showing. You pretty much are good to go. So this is why, you know, I might be a lace front wear. We will see, because you guys know I'm kind of comfortable with my closures, and you know, I make my wigs if I want to leave my natural hair out, or if I want to put it all back. If the wind blows, it's okay with me because it's not my hair, but it looks good. I like it. What do you guys think? This is a really cute look. I think it's spring ready. What do you guys think? I'm looking at viewfinder, I'm looking over here, I'm looking at you. What do you think? I like it. I really, really like it. So let me know your comments down below. I'm thinking about, I think I should color it because, you know, the spring is coming. I think it would really look cute if it was colored, or rather I should say lightened. I would lighten the whole unit. Leave the roots dark, but I would lighten the whole unit, and I would wear it in this wavy state. I think this is really, really cute. What do you guys think? Let me know. Okay, leave your comments down below. And if you like the video, share it. If you're not subscribed, please, let's subscribe. Let's be a part of the family. Let's have a good time. And I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.